Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to give us reviews on Google. First, open up a new tab and type WiselyWise. You should be able to see this screen on your computer. On the right side of your screen, click on Google Reviews. Here, you will be able to check the reviews that are provided by other students and parents. Click on Write a Review to provide your own review. Select the star rating ranging from 1 to 5. 1 being the worst and 5 being the best. Describe your review in detail in the box given below star ratings. Once done, you can add photos if you want and click on the Post button to submit your review.